So as most of you know, iOS 26.2 is that new type of software update, right? This is an update that came out about over a month ago at this point, but also we're now getting into iOS 26.3. And iOS is in a very, very weird spot where Apple isn't really pushing out any sort of software updates at a fast pace. They are not failing fast. They are taking their time and updating these softwares at a very slow rate. And in my personal opinion, I feel like Apple should be going through and pushing out more software updates at a much faster rate. They really shouldn't be taking their time in these particular updates. Now, the reason why I feel like that is because Apple kind of has been slowing down and they haven't really been giving us these big type of updates. They've been giving us some updates here and there, but I still feel like there is a lot of, stuff Apple should be doing for the most part, and they just haven't been focusing in on iOS updates at all. Now, after that, right, another big thing is going on too. People aren't excited, I think, about iOS 26, and they just aren't really they're just not updating their devices even when iOS updates are available. So that's also another very big problem. So now that we're going into iOS 26.3, iOS 26.4 in the future, are people going to be updating to these software updates? Well, I'm not really too sure, right? I think people aren't really installing iOS 26.2 because there's a lot of people on 26.1 and on 26.0. I think a reason why people aren't really installing these updates mostly is because people just aren't excited. They're scared of updating because they're scared there's going to be problems or issues when they actually go through an update. So we're going to have to wait and see what happens, but in my personal opinion, I kind of do think that in this particular situation, Apple needs to go through, they need to start pushing out more updates, and I guess we're going to have to wait and see what happens. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.